What's good, guys? I hope y'all are good, man. Back again with another banger, as you know, back again with another documentation, guys. So, update, guys, on the two accounts that I bought. Remember, I breached my previous 10K account, then I bought two accounts, which is a 10K account and a 5K account, right? So, update on that, guys. I'm currently in Drawdown. I couldn't record because I couldn't charge my phone. But yeah, moral of the story, I'm currently on Drawdown, which is I'm going to show you real soon. But I'm currently on Drawdown, guys, and I actually took trades today, EuroCAD, right? And yeah, I just want to show you how that one is going, guys. And it's actually a good setup. I'm actually confident in it. Like I risked, bro. Yo, I went out of plan. I won't even lie, but yeah, it's actually a good setup. So yeah, guys, before we get into that, guys, for those of you who don't know me, my name is Leseho Malobola, and I'm here on YouTube to document my trading journey. Obviously, guys, to become a profitable, professional, successful trader. You understand me, guys? So do all the nice things, guys. Make sure that you subscribe, make sure that you turn on the post notification bell to be notified whenever I drop a new video, guys. Otherwise, let's get into it. Yeah, guys, so this is the setup that I'm actually looking at. As you can see, EuroCAD right over there, guys. I'm currently on the 4-hour time frame. I actually wanted to break this down for you guys so you can be able to see what I'm able to see, basically. So yeah, man, this is the weekly time frame, guys. The weekly time frame is actually bullish, right? You can clearly see this is our last low point, and then price printed this higher high, higher low, and then we are at a higher high. So I'm expecting price to come back, retrace back to this weekly area of interest and print a potential higher low to go long, right? So really nothing much on the weekly time frame, bro. Just the matter that price has to go and retrace there. And then moving to the daily time frame. The daily time frame, you can clearly see what's going on here, right? You can clearly see we had this higher high point, higher low, then higher high, and then price yesterday broke below this higher low, turning this now into a lower low. Then price had this weak retracement, of which I believe that this lower low is gonna drag, bro. It's gonna keep on dragging. It's gonna keep on dragging. You understand me? But what I was interested in is this pattern right over here. We had a bearish engulfing candlestick, a huge bearish engulfing candlestick, which also pierced our area of interest. And now, obviously, I was waiting for price to give me this wick pullback, this daily wick pullback. You always hear me talk about wick pullbacks. This is a daily wick pullback. You can clearly see here. And then obviously on the 4-hour, that's when I would be able to see how things are going, right? So obviously now moving to the 4-hour, you can clearly see, guys, we broke below this higher low point, turning this into a lower low, lower high, and all I was waiting for is a retest here. This is the daily wick pullback. Remember, I was waiting for a retest of this EMA 4-hour structure point, round cycle level, and obviously the area of interest, right? And then obviously after that, the only thing that I was waiting for was this, bro. What's this, bro? Bearish pin bar rejection candlestick. Any rejection candlestick, right? But fortunately we were able to get a pin bar rejection candlestick, which is good, bro, because it shows us that the buyers really tried. They tried their best to do all they can, you understand me, to penetrate here, but they failed, bro. So the sellers took control, and I think we are going to have a continuation of this move here, then just like that, you understand me. So yeah, bro, this setup is actually looking good, which is why I'm so confident about it. The 1 hour is going to shift structure. Now we have 18 minutes until the candlestick closes. So the 1 hour hasn't shifted structure, but I really do love that we had this retracement and then we had this engulfing candlestick, right? But we are still waiting for this candlestick to close in order for it to shift structure. However, the 30-minute, we did shift structure. You can clearly see we shifted structure here, printed this lower low, lower high. Then now we're currently moving, which we also got an engulfing candlestick. So I really do love what I'm seeing here, bro. The 15 minutes say no less, bro. Like, look at this. Shifted structure, lower low, lower high. You can clearly see how the move went. So Right now it's a waiting game, bro. I'm just waiting and monitoring these trades. Let me actually show you how they look on my Selly, bro, on my MetaTrader. Understand me? This is the 10k account, currently in drawdown because I took some losses, wins. I couldn't record because this phone didn't want to charge. But yeah, bro, took some wins, took a loss. Yeah, it's been a rough one, bro, but overall I'm down 3%, right? Currently I just want to recover and obviously make the most out of this one, right? But it's nothing, guys. Drawdown is nothing. Just gotta keep our heads up. Let me show you. That's how the setup is looking, bro. TP making 5%, bro, meaning that if it hits TP, both my trades would be making 5% each, which is actually 10%. That's actually crazy, bro. But the 10% is gonna recover the 3% first, and then we're gonna be up 7% basically. So yeah, bro, I also have the 5k account. I also have the 5k account, which is what I want to show you. Look at that, we are running nicely, bro. This one is actually running more than the other one because I risked too much here, bro. Like this one, if we hit TP here, I'll be passing phase 1, right? Because I risked too much, bro. Let me show you. You see this thing, I always have to adjust it. It's boring. I took 2 positions there. You can clearly see, bro. You can clearly see. So it's also giving me 10% each because I used the same risk management as that other account, which is, I don't condone it at all. I'm out of line, bro. But yeah, I am really confident in this trade. I'm not gonna lie. Not gonna lie. I'm down 1.7% on this account, but it's okay. I took a loss and then I was able to recover, and then I didn't trade again, you see. So yeah, it's okay. Right now I'm just gonna keep on monitoring here, and yeah, bro, we'll see how this one goes. $100 in Yana, come on, Swaral. Yeah, come on. Really doesn't want. It really doesn't want, bro. $100. Come on. It really doesn't want, guys. Yeah, man, keep on doing the nice things, guys. Make sure that you subscribe if you haven't done so. Like this video, comment, let me know what you think is gonna happen here. But I really do feel like this is a good setup, bro. Really do feel like this is a good setup. I'm confident in it. Come on. Guys, away.
Like
Yep.
Basing gumi.
you gonna do a flip?
Oh yeah, prepare it, just
Content.
deep concentration.
Sink in with it, dog.
Oh, namang ano. Nga to exaggerate, ano.
I will exaggerate, no.
Sarap eh.
Oh, snap!
Yes.
You still got it a little bit. You man, you deserve the you deserve the
exaggerating.
Ay, Maria, yang prepare.
No.
Next time ba
Nalaman. Arumi. Usa ataka dumi. Hey. Raduma tu.
Yep. Who's fully recovered? As you can see, my account is back to normal, bro. This is the PNL for today, guys. Unfortunately, I couldn't record because I was at work. And yeah, I actually did a lot, bro. Like, a lot has happened, as you can see on the background there. actually exited the EuroCAD trades. You can clearly see basically almost at break even, but yeah, I exited these trades and then I entered US 30, my brother, which is the trade right over here. You can clearly see. I will briefly explain it to you, but yeah, bro, let me also show you the 5k account. Let me also show you the 5k account. Boom, just like that, my brother, just like that, my brother. Also made a huge amount of percentage on this account. Closed the EuroCAD manually on this one too and entered the Borza US 30. So yeah, bro, just to give you an update, right, on what went down. EuroCAD, I'll get to EuroCAD, right? For now, let's start with US 30. So US 30, guys, initially the daily time frame, I don't even think I was looking at the daily. No, I wasn't even looking at the daily time frame. I was looking at price from the 4-hour time frame. Look at how price here went from being bullish to being bearish, and then to being bullish again, and then being bearish again, bro, and then eventually being bullish here yesterday, and then coming back, giving us a retracement here, bro. Pure market structure, bro. No strategy included. Let's remove all this and just look at the beauty of price, bro. The beauty, you understand me? So basically that's what happened, guys. I saw this shift of structure here. Price printed this high, and then came here retesting this previous structure point, of which happens to be the neckline of this head and shoulders, inverse head and shoulders pattern right over here, right? And you can clearly see that price was in a huge accumulation here. Price was accumulating for a while here, right? So once we got out of that accumulation, we had a retest. All I was waiting for is the 4-hour to show me its hand along with the 1 hour, 30 minute, 15 minute. You know how it goes, bro. Like literally. And I was at work, bro. I was at work, but I took the trades in the morning, right? I just couldn't record. But yeah, all I was waiting for was the 4-hour to show me its hand. You can clearly see we had a nice engulfing candlestick right over here, of which if I go to the 1 hour time frame, guys, if I go to the 1 hour time frame, you can clearly see that we shifted this inner structure. Price was creating this inner structure right over here. We broke above, shifted that inner structure, and I obviously saw this as a signal because we had an inside bar candlestick confirmed by the other bullish candlestick. You remember the other trade that I took a loss on and I said I made a mistake, whatever. Yeah, I learned. This is the pattern now. I entered that. I used to enter the trade here, but now I waited, right? Look at that, bro. 3:30, I was at lunch. I actually came back from lunch and I just wanted to see how the move went. And look at that, bro. Boom. And I actually closed my trade somewhere here, right? I didn't hold until TP. I actually closed my trade somewhere here. And I was like, nah, let me go to work. And yeah, wara. But what matters here? What matters here is this, bro. This is what matters here. I made an extra percentage here, guys. If I show you the dashboard, you'd be surprised. Let me show you the dashboard. This will be the 5k account. You can clearly see out of drawdown, max loss remaining 631, which is good. Profit target, bro, we made 131. Now we left with 368, which is not bad, I'm not gonna lie. And yeah, bro, so on. All right, even with the 10k, just to show you, even with the 10k, same thing, bro. We out of drawdown. That's the most important thing, you understand me? So next week, new mindset, new everything, guys. For now, make sure that you do all the nice things. Subscribe, guys, and also like this video. Let me know what you think about this setup, guys. EuroCAD, there's nothing wrong with EuroCAD, bro. I just decided to exit because it was moving slower than anticipated, right? So I entered US 30 because it was moving faster. EuroCAD, you can clearly see, basically went back to break even, and then yeah, it's moving now, right? But I exited these trades, bro. I exited these trades and I entered US30, and now I recovered, and now we good, bro. So make sure that you like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think about this video, guys. Otherwise, I'll see you on the next one. Away.